Hi guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com and this is Meatgistics. Well, we're in the midst of hunting season and we've already had some success here at Walton's. So we're gonna be cooking what is mine and a lot of people's favorite cuts on a deer, the backstrap. Now initially we were thinking we were gonna either cut it open and stuff it or use a mallet, pound it out flat, and then roll it and stuff it. However, it's the first deer of the year, so we just decided to keep it nice and simple. We're gonna inject it with one of my favorite injectable seasonings, which is Paws Black Bull. Then we're gonna rub the outside with Excalibur's Wild Game Rub. The Paws Black Bull has sodium phosphates in it, so that should help it increase the water holding capacity of the meat. And it's got sugar and molasses to help everything caramelize really nicely. And the wild game seasoning has just a hint of a heat that we think should work well together. So, to inject this, we're first gonna have to make up our solution. So I've got a pint of water here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 1.76 ounces or 50 grams of the Paws Black Bull. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that in, and I'm gonna start dissolving it, and I'm just gonna keep going until it's totally dissolved. Now, I always recommend that as soon as you think you're done and everything's dissolved, go for another minute or two just to make sure. Now, the reason I'm so concerned with making sure everything's suspended in there is so that it doesn't clog up anything in our Walton's automatic syringe injector. This is a great way to inject your meat. You just go ahead and keep pumping it until it doesn't look like the meat is gonna take any more. So just keep going until it starts coming back out those holes. Okay, so we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and move this over to a little poly pan we've got here, and I'm just gonna start injecting. All right, so I'm gonna vacuum seal this, and when I do, since we injected this with a liquid solution, I'm gonna watch the bag, and as soon as I see liquid start to come up near the chamber, I'm just gonna hit the seal function and we'll just deal with whatever seal we got. Turns out we got a pretty good one, a nice tight seal on this. Now when it's done marinating, I'm gonna rub it with the wild game, just making sure that I cover all sides. With injecting and marinating it, the backstrap should be able to hold the rub easily on the outside. All right, now we need to talk about proper cook temperatures. I know people are really picky when cooking a venison they shot, and rightly so. You've worked really hard for the meat, so you want the best taste you can get out of all that hard work. However, no matter how clean the deer was, you should still be following standard food safety processes. That means cooking a whole muscle cut like this up to 145 degrees internal temperature. Now I know a lot of you like to stop it well short of this, and I don't cook my steaks up to 145 degrees at home, but it's like wearing a seatbelt. Yeah, your car was gonna start without it, but eventually something's gonna happen and that seatbelt's gonna keep you safe. It's the same thing with cooking to 145 degrees internal temperature, especially with wild game. Now for smoking this, I'm gonna just start my pellet smoker at 200 degrees, and I'm just gonna keep it there for as long as it takes to get this to 145 degrees internal temperature, and we'll be back with the results. All right, so we're back. We just got it off the smoker and it looks delicious. Smells amazing too. I'm telling you, that Paws Black Bull, just because I say it's so good on beef, don't think that it's not good on other things as well, because this smells amazing. Remember, the sodium phosphates in it are gonna help increase the water holding capacity, so we should end up with a really nice, juicy, and tasty backstrap here. Let's cut right into the middle of it and see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. If you can see that, that is pretty much perfect. When you press on it and some juice still coming out, and more importantly, let's see what the taste is. That is great. Oh, that is so good. I am in love with this. That wild game rub plus the Paws Black Bull on a backstrap of a nice clean deer, it does not get any better than this. So happy hunting season is back. Well, as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.